In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in ClickUp. Whether you're new to ClickUp or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will help you quickly add and customize tasks to keep your projects organized and your team on track. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool designed to streamline workflows and boost productivity, so setting up tasks effectively is key. Let's dive right in and get started. First, navigate to your team space. You'll find this in the left-hand sidebar of your ClickUp interface. The team space is where all your projects are stored, making it the central hub for your team's work. Once you're there, click on the team space that houses the project you want to work on. This ensures you're in the right spot to manage the specific project you have in mind. Next, select the project from the list that appears. This will open up the project where you want to create your new task. If you're managing multiple projects, just take a moment to double-check that you've selected the correct one. Now look to the right of the project name. You'll notice a little plus button there. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll begin creating your task. From the menu that pops up, choose Task. This option allows you to set up a new individual task that can be tracked and customized within your project. Once you've selected Task, it's time to name your task. Be specific and descriptive when entering a name. For example, instead of naming it Update, you might name it Update Marketing Presentation for Q4. A clear and detailed name will make it easier for you and your team to understand what the task involves at a glance. After naming your task, you can configure its properties to suit your needs. This includes assigning a due date, setting a task owner, prioritizing the task, or adding any custom fields that your team uses. For instance, you could assign the task to a team member responsible for it, set it as a high priority, and add a deadline to ensure it gets completed on time. Customizing these details will help you manage tasks more efficiently. Once you've finished setting up all the necessary details, click Create Task. This final step will save your task and add it to the project's task list. You'll now see your newly created task listed among the others, ready for you and your team to work on. Alternatively, if you're working in table view, there's an even quicker way to add a task. Simply scroll to the top or bottom of your table and click Add Task. This allows you to create a new task directly within the table format. From there, enter the name of your task and edit any details directly in the table. This method is especially useful for teams who prefer working in a spreadsheet-like view. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to create and customize tasks in ClickUp. If you're new to ClickUp and don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.